Riverside ground, November 95831, run up complete.
Cessna 831, number 1, contact tower, advise pattern.
Number 1, contact tower, advice pattern 831. Cool, cool. I'm good to go. So you were saying?
Riverside ground, Spartan 56.
I don't remember. Okay.
On Alpha 3, request a taxi to Spartan main ramp 3.
Oh, I said every time. Yeah, anytime your run-up's complete and you're about to hit the button, someone asks for radar services.
Oh.
Or an IFR, it's just like clockwork. You're like,
Yeah, the Seminole.
the worst is an IFR. They're like, yeah, we're ready to copy IFR. Blah, blah, you're cleared direct to Wichita via the Victor 73 airway, maintain 6,000, blah, 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 blah. And it's like, we would have just 5 seconds earlier.
Okay, so this is going to be holding short for close traffic.
Yep, perfect.
Cessna 216, extend your downwind, I'll call your base. You call the base, 26 Lima.
Riverside Tower, November 95831, holding short of runway 19 right for close traffic.
Cessna 95831, Riverside Tower, no delay, runway 19 right, clear for takeoff by runway heading.
Clear for takeoff, flight runway heading 19 right, 831.
There you go, good job getting rolling.
So that's not us, right?
Papa,
Okay.
Hotel Papa, runway 19 right,
Yeah, he's on the east side.
9 right, 7 Hotel Papa.
No delay. I don't like the sound.
Riverside Tower, Cessna 1690 Hotel with you for close traffic.
Alright, start turning, start
1690
turning.
Hotel, Riverside Tower, roger.
There you go.
Okay, should have done that earlier.
There, good.
Okay. So, 19 right. Okay, everything good. Heels on floor, hand on throttle, and full power.
Alright, we got a left crosswind here, so a little bit of left aileron, there you go.
Okay, RPM sufficient, airspeed alive, T's and P's green,
Turn
50
base,
knots
your discretion.
rotate.
There you
Discretion,
go.
26 Lima.
Right rudder. There we go.
Okay,
Alright, start tracking over the runway, see we're getting blown.
alright.
There you go.
Wind's pretty strong.
It is pretty strong.
Okay, brake, flaps, and T's and P's. Landing light, T's and P's, and airspeed. Oh, there's the windsock.
Cessna 26 Lima, change to runway 19 left.
Alright, cool. Got in a pretty good downwind. Traffic's in sight, no factor.
Okay, brake, undercarriage, mixture, fuel on, quantity sufficient, and instruments, full. T's and P's green, RB, I'll do that in a second. And engines and harness is secure. Landing light on. Why does this thing keep getting?
You gotta pull on it, pull it tight. It needs to click in there.
Alright, I think I got it. And
There we go, there's our 1,000 foot marks.
yep.
RP, power. Playing a little bit, there you go. We're getting blown into the final. Don't overshoot. Get your flaps in now.
Last 20.
There you go.
Cessna 26 Lima, you're flying a
There you go.
Cessna.
Yeah, lead this turn.
1 mile
There you go.
final.
Just start turning,
Runway
start
19
turning,
left,
start
runway 19
turning.
left,
More.
clear for the option number 3.
Number 3, looking for traffic, clear for the option 19 left. 4726 Lima.
Alright. I'll extend that center line out. Does it look like we're left or right of center line?
Slightly right.
Alright, we'll correct. Fix it out here when it's easy, not whenever you're over the runway. So get that way. Get on center line.
Cessna 98 Foxtrot, turn left runway 13.
It still
runway
looks like
19
we're
left,
lined up with the
passenger
right
Zulu.
side of the runway.
Oh, okay.
Left Zulu, turn left on 13, Cessna 99 Foxtrot.
There you go, a little bit of power.
Yeah.
Cessna 26 Lima,
Now we're lined up.
VFR.
I'll take the correction out. There you go. Oh, pitch down a little bit. Add your flaps.
Riverside Tower, Skyhawk,
Okay,
721 Charlie 9 goes holding short of runway 19 right on Alpha 6.
Coming down.
Fox 721 Charlie Tango, Riverside Tower, hold for runway 19
Well,
right.
how come every time you fly, we just get crazy crosswinds?
I guess it's Tulsa.
Alright, keep it right on that center line. Start smoothly pulling that power back. Ground effect. There you go. Power to idle. Now start holding it. We got to get that wing down into the wind. There you go. Now hold it. There you go. Keep holding it. Fly it. Nice job. I got your flaps. Full power. Full power. Keep it straight. You're getting funky with the rudders right there. You feel you kind of...
Yep.
So keep it straight. All right, rotate.
Rotate.
Pitch down. There you go. Establish our crab. So be easy there. You scared me, kind of like last time where you're kind of getting jerky. Just, it's going to go straight because our momentum's taking us that way, right? Just small corrections. All right, we know we have to put a crab in, right? Yep. There you go. Put it in right there. Roll out.
93 Hotel.
All right, I've got 10 degrees of flaps for you. Now you get some power in.
Runway 19 left, clear for the option number 2.
All right, 20 flaps.
Traffic in sight, runway 19 left, clear for the option number 2.
Are we on center line?
98 Foxtrot.
We're a little bit on the left side now.
City of Bay.
Okay, but we're getting blown.
Traffic in sight and follow traffic, Cessna 98 Foxtrot.
Cessna 98 Foxtrot, amend those instructions, follow Cessna heading to your left on the crosswind.
All right, now we're left side of the runway.
Yep. Okay. I'm downwind, Cessna 98 Foxtrot.
There you go. Now we're correcting. But we're going to have to take the correction out, otherwise we're going to get put on that side. So now we're back on the right side. There you go. Now take a little bit of turn to the right. See. Pitch the nose down. Add power. Add power. 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 There you go. All right, now reduce power. All right. All right, now just hold this center line. All right, hold it. Hold it right here. Hold it. Keep holding it. Keep holding it. Fly it. Fly it. There you go.
Bonanza 660 Romeo.
Smooth on the feet. Full power. Full power. Smooth on the feet. Smooth on the feet. There you go. Now rotate. Rotate. Rotate.
Runway 19 left, clear to land. 19 left, clear to land, traffic in sight. 26 Lima.
Romeo.
Cessna 831, runway 19 left, clear for the option number 1.
Runway 19 left, clear for option number 1, 831.
All right.
Riverside Tower.
All right. Fix our altitude if we're high. Start putting your flaps in.
Cessna 93 Hotel. Follow Cessna 1 mile final, runway 19 right, correction, runway 19 left, clear for the option number 2.
All right. So I want you to get in the middle of the airplane. Like, put your eyesight here.
Cessna 98 Foxtrot, short approach approved, runway 19 right, clear to land.
See, we're right on it, right about
Clear to
now.
land, short approach approved, Cessna 98 Foxtrot.
Cessna 152.
All right. Now we're going left. See, we need to take that correction out. Make small changes. There you go. All right. Be ready for that sink. Start to add some power. Hold it right rudder. I've got it. My airplane.
Okay, you have to flight controls.
All right. Full power, your flight controls.
Flight controls.
All right, rotate. So, center line, center line, center line, center line, center line, center line, center line. All right?
All right. Brake flaps.
Wind vary between 140 and 180 at 10.
40.
So you're so good there lining up on that one all the way, and then...
Cessna E31 follow Cessna short final, runway 19 left, clear for the option number 2.
Number 2, runway 19 left, follow traffic, Adrian.
Delta Alpha, turn right heading 220, runway 19 right, clear for takeoff.
220, 19 right, clear for takeoff, 8 Delta Alpha.
Calling 1 Yankee Tango, turn left runway 13, taxi to East Tees, this frequency. 1 Yankee Tango, thank you. 10 Tower, Cessna 3921 Romeo, holding short 19 right, ready for departure. Cessna 3921 Romeo, Riverside, full flat. Tower, fly runway heading, runway 19 right, clear for takeoff. Runway heading 19 right, cleared for takeoff, 3921 Romeo. Delta Tower, Cessna 98 1 Whiskey Uniform, inbound request close traffic. Cessna 98 1 Whiskey Uniform, Riverside, there, right there.
Okay, we're on the right side again. You're gonna take your correction out. Now we're left side again. Keep the nose coming down. Keep it coming down. Alright, power to idle. Why are we on the left side, Jay? Alright, full power. Full power. You gotta figure out what it is. I got flight controls.
Okay, you have flight controls.
Why are you on the left side? Why do you think? Or right and then left? Like, I think what you're doing is you're putting the correction in. Like, let's say I'm drifting. Okay, you put correction in.
Alright.
And then you end up not taking it out right here. You leave it in, and then you go, uh-oh, I need to go back, and then by that time it's too late. So you need to imagine
Cessna 1 Whiskey Uniform.
you've intercepted it.
Marriott for the base. 6 Marriott, 1 Whiskey.
You need to take your correction out as you're re-intercepting it. Does that make sense?
Yeah, it does, but I just don't know what's the normal attitude in such a windy day.
Attitude?
Of the plane.
Cessna 1 Whiskey Uniform is number 1, runway 19 left.
I don't know, down? Not flat? Your flight controls?
Okay, I have flight controls.
Cessna 831, extend upwind.
Extend upwind, Adrian.
Oh gosh. You guys killing us.
Bravo, Riverside Tower, roger out 3330.
Alright, I want you flying center line. I don't care what the attitude is, as long as we don't stall. I want center line all the way down. I want tiny, I want you just... So peek your head over in the middle. Tell me, are we left or right?
Right.
Okay, fix it.
One Whiskey Uniform, running 19 left, taxi via Zulu. 19 left.
Alright, start reducing some power.
Spartan 04, make left traffic, runway 19 left. Left traffic, 19 left, Spartan 04.
Much better. Keep flying it. Keep flying it. There you go. Right rudder. Right rudder, left aileron. There we go. There you go. Fly it down. Keep flying it.
Okay.
There you go. Much better. Alright. Full power.
Full power.
Much better job. Rotate.
Rotate.
Try to get that wing down. There you go. Much better job, and much better footwork after the landing too. You're doing a really good job of just being smooth.
Cessna 22 X-ray, runway 19 right, cleared for the option. Cleared for the option, 19 right, 22 X-ray. Cessna 1 Whiskey Uniform, traffic is turning final at the bridge. Inside 1 Whiskey Uniform. Thank you.
Would you say this is center?
Yeah, we look pretty good right here.
Okay, because that to me looks a bit to the left.
I think we are now left.
Okay, so still don't have a complete picture of what's
this
center.
looks pretty good right here. Start putting your flaps in, start pulling some power. I almost go power to idle or high. There you go. Just don't exceed flap speed. There we go. Keep flying it, baby. Right rudder, line up. Right rudder, roar. Right rudder, more. Beautiful. That was all you. Now keep flying it. Keep flying it. Full power. Full power. That was all you. We gotta stay on center line on takeoff though. Rotate.
Cessna 4650 Riverside Tower, no delay.
That one was all you, Jay.
Okay, that was hard.
Yeah, you earned it.
So you mean I had to turn earlier?
Yeah, we just, what kind of happened last time, and not as bad this time, is that here's our final, base and final, you kind of drifted and cut it, which put us closer to him than I would have liked to.
Alright, got it.
Right traffic.
Well, are they going around? That looks bad. Holy cow.
Cessna 831 on a 100 left, clear touch and go.
Clear for touch and go, 19er left. 831.
Alright, get me on final.
Riverside Tower, good afternoon, Skyhawk 5132.
Good God, they're all over the place.
Inbound full stop. Scott 5132, Romeo, Riverside Tower, right there.
Riverside Tower, Spawn 04, going around.
Spawn 04, right there.
Alright, start reducing power. You fly this thing all the way. Don't let it fly you. It's
Cessna 22 X-ray, runway 19 right, clear for the options.
there you go, reduce some power.
19 right, 22 X-ray. Spawn 04, continue left traffic.
There you go, start up around effect.
Actually, Spawn.
Nose down, right rudder.
35 Kilo Juliet.
There you go. Hold it right here, keep holding it. Keep holding it, keep holding it, keep holding it. There you go.
35 Kilo
I've got
Juliet,
your
Riverside Tower, fly
Your flaps, full power, full power. Keep me on center line or somewhere going close to it.
Spawn 04, actually, make right
rotate.
traffic, runway 19 right, start a right, crosswind. Turning crosswind for right traffic, Spawn 04.
Hey, good job.
Was it?
It was. Considering how much we got the crap knocked out of us,
Cessna 9543, pop tower, yep.
Okay.
and the fact that what I saw from them,
You're flying 152 over to golf course in the right.
Yeah.
So 8 Delta, 2 Delta Whiskey, 5 runway heading, runway 19 right, clear to take off. Okay, heading at 19 right, clear to take off.
oh, we look really lined up.
Can I wait on the flaps?
Yeah, if you want to.
Those power lines.
Yeah.
Riverside Tower, Cessna 4675 Bravo, semi clear to land. Cessna 75 Bravo, runway 19 right, clear to land, traffic should be rolling. 19 right, clear to land, I got the traffic, 75 Bravo.
Okay, full flaps.
Cessna 75 Bravo, wind is 16014. Roger. It's this aircraft, pretty, it's reported birds on final runway 19 left.
Keep flying it, baby. You hold that nose where you want it to go.
Cessna 0,
There
Charlie,
you go.
Follow Cessna left base, and 19 left, clear to land. Traffic inside, 0 Charlie Alpha.
There you go. Keep getting it up. Get me over to center line. There you go. Keep flying it. Keep flying it. Keep flying it. Alright, full power. Full power. Keep me on center line. On center line. Alright, rotate.
Rotate.
Just 1 Whiskey uniform, no delay, runway 19 left, cleared for takeoff. Roger, there's only 19 left, clear for takeoff, 1 Whiskey uniform.
That was a really good job on short final.
1 departure party arrival.
We kind of drifted left and right again.
Yep.
Change to 19 right, Roger. Roger, now follow the traffic.
Oh. Okay. Got blown away.
8. Yeah. Echo, Mike.
Not bad.
Now 3 contact
Correct.
ground.
Rated Alpha 3 ground, Ada Mike.
Cessna 0 Charlie Papa, cross runway 1 on the right, contact ground traffic in position.
Cross 1 on the right, contact ground, Papa.
599 November Delta, runway 1 on the right, line up and wait, traffic at Mooney on 2 mile final, traffic crossing downfield.
You fly this bad boy to the ground.
Mooney 01 Alpha is number 1 for runway 1 on the right, but there is traffic in position.
2 off, Roger.
709 November Delta, turn right heading 220, runway 1 on the right, cleared for takeoff.
Turn right 220, 1 on the right, clear for takeoff, 599 November Delta.
Cessna 1 Whiskey Uniform, follow Cessna off your left wing, number 2, runway 1 on the left,
There we go.
for the option.
All right. Power to idle. We need right rudder and a whole lot of left ailer. There we go. Touch that left wheel down first.
Land down, runway 19 right.
TVM 700 Zulu Riverside Tower.
There we go.
Roger, continue inbound.
Full power.
Zulu, thank you.
Full power.
1 Riverside Tower.
Keep me straight. Keep me straight.
I got a call I need to get to. It's going to be about a mile and a half.
All right, rotate.
East of the airport. 1,300 by St. Francis right now.
Police 1, Roger.
I just saw a bird.
Final,
Oh, yeah.
2 Cessnas and a Mooney outside.
Can you maybe show me one landing?
Yeah. I got flight controls.
Yeah, flight controls.
Give you a break too.
Yeah.
Mooney 01 Alpha, you don't need to respond, but plan no delay on the runway.
No delay, Roger.
And for 00 Zulu, I need you to actually plan a go around.
I can slow it down even more, sir, but whatever you want me to do. You want me to slip to the left side?
There's somebody over there too.
All right, brakes, indicator, mixture, fuel, instruments. T's and P's are green, hatches, harnesses, landing
Mooney
lights
1
on.
Alpha, expedite clear the runway at runway 31, please.
Getting blown in the runway. I'm going to turn out this way a little bit.
3-1, Zulu, 4911.
All right, 1,000 foot marks, carb heat. Power back,
Zulu,
17.
right traffic.
Traffic,
Let's slow down to below 85.
Inbound full stop.
There's 85, flaps 10.
Runway 1 on left, taxi via Zulu.
1911 Zulu, 26.
Cessna 38 Sierra uniform, continue
It'll
inbound.
fly itself.
Number 437 Sierra Charlie, fly runway heading 1 on the right, clear for takeoff.
7 heading 1 on the right, clear for takeoff. 7 Sierra Charlie.
Cessna 831 turn base, runway 1 on our left, clear touch and go, traffic short final.
All right, turning base, 1 on our left, clear touch and go, 831.
TVM 0 Zulu, right turn, wind able, you're number 1, runway 1 on our right, clear to land.
4119 right, Zulu, thank you.
All right, still below
86,
85. 20 flaps, crabbing into the wind. Getting blown out a little
Can you
bit.
keep your base over inside the bridge that's here, just north, a mile north of the field?
Sure.
Look, it just flies. If you get it trimmed out, it just does what you want it to do. All right, we're clear, touch and go.
707 Sierra Charlie, start your
I'm
roll.
gonna roll out an early turn to final. I know I'm gonna need to put crab in. I even got blown over a little bit. I'll go full flaps, get configured early.
Riverside Tower, system 66991's at
65.
1 on our right, excuse me, Alpha 6, ready for departure to the southwest.
Cessna 66991 Riverside Tower, cross, runway 1 on our right without delay, runway 1 on our left, taxi via Lima.
All right, keeping this crab in. It looks strange because I'm pointed that way,
66991.
but I feel like I'm right over it. All right, I'm holding this crab and adjusting. All right, I'm getting blown a little bit to the right.
Quebec.
All right.
As you turn final, make an F turn to the west.
All right, coming down here, still hold my crab, still hold my crab, still hold my crab, still holding it, power idle.
Right next to final, about a half.
All right, now I'm going right rudder,
South of you.
left aileron.
TBM on right base at Turkey Mountain.
Okay, looking for the helicopter and the TVM, 86 Quebec.
So 1 Whiskey uniform, runway 1 on our left, taxi via Zulu.
Zulu, 1 Whiskey uniform.
Alright. Wind's getting worse.
Just a 268.
Alright.
All set for departure. And
Rotate.
runway 1 on our left, over there you go.
Take off, 1 on our left, 268, touch traffic.
Alright, your flight controls. I have flight control.